Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to send Shopify order notifications on WhatsApp 2025. Without further ado, let's get started. To send Shopify order notifications on WhatsApp, first, set up a WhatsApp business account by downloading the app and registering with your business phone number. Then install a WhatsApp integration app like Twilio from the Shopify App Store. Create a Twilio account. Get your account SID, auth token, and a WhatsApp enabled number. In Shopify, enter your Twilio credentials and contact your WhatsApp number. Next, configure the notifications you want to send, such as order confirmations and shipping updates, and customize the messages. Set triggers for when these notifications should be sent. Test everything by placing a test order, and once it is working, enable notifications for all customers. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.